Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw the body of your Formula One car. I'm going to go ahead and start by selecting the rectangle tool, so I'm going to hit R for rectangle. I'm going to click once at the origin, and I'm going to move up and over away from the origin and type in the length of my car. My car happens to be 190, comma, the height of my car is 45. And then I'm going to hit enter. So that the drawing fills up the screen and I can see the rest of my outline, I'm going to hit on my keyboard Control Shift E. Now it's always important when you're making this drawing or any drawing for our Formula One car is that we always stay in the front view. So make sure that front view is selected. Okay, I'm going to add some guidelines now. So I'm going to hit T for tape measure. My first guideline is going to be clicking at the bottom of the rectangle, click once, move up and type in 9 and hit enter. This is going to help us for the axle location. The second is going to be another guideline, clicking once again at the bottom of the block, click once, move up, and this time I'm going to go ahead and type in 20. This is going to be used to make sure my car body is not too thin between my front and back axle. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. So once again we have 9 millimeters and then from the bottom up 20. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a third guide. I'm going to click here in the upper left hand corner, click once, move over to the right and type in 58, 58. This is going to give me an idea where the CO2 cartridge housing ends, which is in this general area on my block. So I want to make sure I don't draw inside this space. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some references where the rear axle and where the front axle are located. So I'm going to jump back here, and you're going to see the word intersection appear. I'll zoom in. So where the back block and the axle line intersect, click once, and I'm going to move towards the front of the car. My rear axle, according to my drawing, is at 43. So I'm going to type in 43, and I'm going to hit enter. So you can see that there's a mark for my axle location. I'm going to hit Control Shift E so you can see my entire drawing, just to get a sense of what's happening here. So there's my rear axle. I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to click here in the back at the intersection, click once, move forward, and I'm going to once again type in my front axle location, which we measured also from the back of the block. Mine is at 140, 140. So once again, your numbers I'm sure are different than mine, so type in the numbers that are on your spec sheet. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, and this is common. I did this and it did not appear, so I'm going to do it again. Click once, move forward, and you might have found this with other guides that you made. There it is. And so whenever that happens, just go ahead and try it again.